I can actually do select all the columns from SQL, sorry, SQL train. That's the name of the table. I run it. Well, this is what I have. Let's say um, I want to have a unique identifier. I want to add a a unique identifier that will uniquely identify each row as a unique entry. I can do alter table as SQL underscore train. That's the name of my table. I can do add column. The name of my column is UUID. Data type is integer. I can add parameters like primary key, and I can say serial. Is this serials or auto increment? I think it's, yeah, auto increment. So what it means is, what I want is a UUID column that is integer. It's a primary key. What primary key means is it is unique to that particular row. And auto increment is uh, auto increment this value by 1, I think. And I'm done. Let's see. I'm going to run it. It has run fine. Now if I run my table, you can see it has added the UUID, and so now I can start putting in data. So in order for me to put data, I'll say insert into my SQL underscore train. So it will be, I'll now call the column I want to insert my my data. That's the column. What data do I want to insert? Now I don't need to insert I don't need to use the auto increment again because that's the UID. I don't need to add that. The reason is because it's manual, it's automatic. So I could say let me just type in some values. So first name, last name, my age, let's say my age is 23, my gender is male. Yep. And by the time I run this, you can see it's successful. If I go back to my to view my table, you can see it automatically has created the UID of 1, and that's because I said it's auto increment. Now I can do this with multiple values. All I just need to do is these values, I'll just say comma and like that. So I can see, I don't know, just random. I'm just calling random curve. You can see this person is 45 and the person is female. Let's say this is male, this person is 20. So I can see first name is this so we can see Thomas, and you know, and run this, and you can see here it's successful. If I run this query to show me the table, you can see. Now the advantage of this UID is it's unique. So what it means is that number 3 has to be this. You will not have a situation where you have some form of repetition. That's going to be a very serious problem. And if I want to change any, let's say I made a mistake, I want to change any parameter here, I can give a condition of 3 and I know where I'm going to change this parameter. We'll do that in the next session.